In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a logo with Midjourney and CapCut. By the end, you'll have two short, polished clips you can combine into a simple brand bumper or product teaser. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and click the official Midjourney website. Once you're in, go to the Create or Explore section and locate the logo you want to work with. If you've already generated or uploaded a logo there, open it. Otherwise, pick the version that best represents your brand's look. Click the image to open its detail view so you can work from that specific result. In the prompt area, describe how you want the animation to feel. Aim for clear direction, a smooth camera rotation around a bronze 3D logo, polished metallic reflections, realistic studio lighting, soft shadows on the floor, and slow, elegant shine glints across the edges. Add a gentle light pulse to make it feel energized, and keep the background minimal so the logo remains the star. This kind of motion prompt gives the system guidance on movement, lighting, and mood without overcomplicating things. When you're happy with the wording, click Submit and give it a moment to process. Next, create a complementary product visual. Write a prompt for a premium ceramic coffee mug on a clean background, filled with hot coffee releasing gentle steam. Specify that the mug shows the bronze 3D version of your logo centered on the front. Ask for ultra-realistic lighting, soft reflections, warm tones, shallow depth of field, and a professional product photo look. If your version settings are available, you can note a raw style for a crisp, photographic finish. Submit again and wait for the result. When your results are ready, open each one and use the Animate option to turn the still into motion. Keep the same vibe, refined lighting, subtle camera movement, and a premium feel. Click Submit to start the animation job and let it render. When both animations finish, download the two video files to your computer. Now, open CapCut and start a new project. Import both clips and place them on the timeline. Arrange them in the order you want. Logo animation first, product shot second works well. Add a short crossfade or a clean cut to keep it modern. Consider gentle speed adjustments, light color correction to match tones, a subtle sound logo or soft whoosh, and clean on-screen text if you need it. When everything looks cohesive, export at 1080p or 4K with a high bitrate for a crisp, professional result. And that's how you animate a logo with Midjourney and finish it in CapCut.